Dongguan Orient Electronics and Metal Company Limited was founded in 2011. We are a professional manufacturer specialized in data center infrastructure products over 11 years. Our headquarters and factory located in Hengli Town, Dongguan City, Guangdong Province, China. Our factory area of 6,500 square meters and with approximately 129 employees. We have two main divisions. The first is Sheet Metal Division. Its main product is industrial server chassis, chassis data storage, agent industrial power supplies, industry guides, equipped with Murata CNC punching machine, CNC bending machine, laser cutting machine, hydraulic riveting equipment, spraying line, and assembly line. The second is PDU division. Its main product is PDU, basic PDU, and intelligent PD for different countries or regions. Orient has stronger team with skilled engineers and technicians. Most of them have rich experience in R&D and have been in this industry for many years. They mastered professional technology and have innovative ideas. OEM or ODM support can be available. We are committed to delivering the stable and reliable quality products, providing the good support and solutions. We became ISO 9001 certified company in many years. Many of our products certified by CE, FCC, RoHS materials are RoHS compliant. We sincerely welcome all clients from all over the world. Contact or visit our company.